The Allure box is here. It is $30. It comes with a brochure with a lovely person on the front. Gives us information inside and highlights it so she has half a clue what she's talking about. And we have a code down below that will get you a free gift if you want to sign up for Allure. So let's take a look at what they are sending. There was a great big question floating around the internet regarding this First Aid Beauty product. There was a question, was it going to be 8 ounces or 2 ounces? This box does give sample sizes. It also gives full size. You usually get 3 samples, 3 full size. There was a question about the size on this one because it was looking like the samples might be outweighing the full size. However, we can confirm this is a full size 8-ounce item. This is by First Aid Beauty. It is their Ultra Repair Cream. It has a retail value of $48 for their 8 ounces. And does not get on well with First Aid Beauty products. For some reason, they don't react well with my skin, so we're leaving this one. It has a safety seal. We're going to leave this one packaged up. The holidays are coming. This is going to wind up either as a gift to someone or perhaps in a upcoming giveaway. Yeah, my birthday's coming up, and I usually do a giveaway, so you never know. We make no guarantees, but you never know. And that's another reason to subscribe to our channel. From Benefit, there's a full-size brow setter gel that apparently does not leave your brows feeling crunchy. It leaves them feeling smooth and soft. I don't use this product, so again, this is going to wind up as a gift or in a giveaway. What else can I tell you right quick about it? That was full size, and it is $28 for 7 milliliters. And then we have this fun one. And in as much as I've been yelping for months now that we get too much blush, I gotta say, I am excited about this one. This is one of my favorite brands, Rodeo. And I got to pick at the shade. They let us do that. And so the shade that I picked was Frosted Pink. And it looks like it's gonna give blush and maybe a little highlighter mixed in. We haven't tried this out yet, so stay tuned to our shorts. That's where we put a lot of our first impressions. So in as much as I've been yapping and griping about too much blush, at least this time it was a product brand that I like. What else can I tell you about this one? I don't know, you got the booklet. It says it's full size, 15 milliliters, $55. And that it gives a natural looking glow with a watercolor-like flush. Anne has decided that in this half of the box, her favorite item is the blush. How about you? Did you see something that you liked? Do you get this box? What was your favorite item? Let me know, let me know, let me know. And now moving right along with this video. We have something from Blossom Essentials. It is a type of lip balm. It looks like it is honey infused. Yes, and I hear via the grapevine, shout out to channel Wygo Warrior for letting us know that this is a very soft lip balm, that it is best to gently dab at it with your finger and then apply to your lips rather than rubbing it on. It's a very soft product and apparently gets a little mushy. This is full size. It has the safety seal on it and we're still leaving it on. It's been hot out here, so we're trying to let it settle down a little bit before we fill off the safety seal. But that is what it looks like. It's honey infused. That sounds very intriguing. I can't get a sniff through the safety seal, but oh well. And what else can I tell you? I want to put it down before I drop it. That is full-sized. I thought that was a sample size. No, that is a full-size item, 4 milliliters, $12. Honey infused formula goes on creamier than most sticks, gives you a pretty sheen to your lips. So I guess you use it, it says, whenever you want a little hydration with a touch of shine. Ooh, I want to try it. This is a sample size from Eva NYC. It is a dry shampoo. It is rice-based. I'm intrigued to try this. I've taken a little sniff. It's fresh with a very light perfume that dissipates very quickly, and you don't use a lot anyway with dry shampoo. You don't want to oversaturate your hair. So the sample size is 35 milliliters, and it's called Light and Fresh. I guess that's why it smelled light and fresh. I guess so. A full size of this puppy is $15 for 189 milliliters. And in all honesty, that's not a bad price for a full size of dry shampoo. So stay tuned to our shorts, because that's where we put a lot of our first impressions. And who knows, Anne might do a full video. Yeah, I will probably do a full video at one point in time comparing this to my Ride or Die dry shampoo, which I also got from Allure box, to see which one is the more better. This is from Tree Hut. It is a body serum mist. And what can we tell you about this? It has a fresh scent. It contains squalene, niacinamide, and a word that I don't know how to pronounce, tranexamic acid? I don't know if I said that right. One thing I did notice when I took a little spritz of this, I sprayed a little bit on my leg just to, see what it would do, see what it smelled like, see what it felt like, because normally squalene and I don't get along. Actually, the squalene scent was not bad. What I did notice is that the spritzer on this bottle is not aimed directly. I was aiming for my left shin, and I wound up getting a little bit on my shin, and I also got a little bit on the counter cabinet next to me. So it's listing a little bit to the left. It happens. Honestly, sometimes I think that's why we get products in subscription boxes, is maybe something wasn't quite right. We could be wrong about that. I don't think it's everything. Yet, the spritzer on this is a hair off direct aim. Fresh scent, the refreshing blend of those 3 ingredients hydrates and brightens. And this is, they say body, so I guess they don't want you to spray it on your face. I don't know, I always thought my face was part of my body, but then again, it's maybe not designed specifically for the face. It can go on the rest of your person. And that was a sample size. Full size is $26 for 236 milliliters. And you're supposed to, give it a shake or two before you use it. And spray it on your arms, legs, or anywhere that you want an instant dewy glow. Anne has decided that the Eva NYC dry shampoo is her favorite from this half of the box. Mainly because I want to compare it to my usual dry shampoo and see which one does a more better job. What did you see in this half of the box that you liked? Let us know, because I'm a nosy child. Tell me all the details I want to know. And And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do. Yep, that's what I likes to do. This is a $30 a month box. Shipping is still free. You can get it at a lower price if you subscribe for 3 months or for 12 months, but you have to pay that all up front. So you can only do what your budget allows. Shop responsibly. And we do have a link down in our description box that is supposed to get you a free item if you are a new subscriber. They've been allowing us to make a choice for one item each month. We've had a lot of blush and a lot of lippies, but I think something else different might be coming. They've also added add-ons, which we've taken a look. There's not as many add-ons as you see in a certain other box. That's okay. We haven't seen anything that has compelled us to purchase an add-on, but they are there. It looks like there's usually about 6 to 8 add-ons. So thank you for watching today. We do appreciate your time. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And we do hope to see you soon. And I'm planning my birthday giveaway, coming sometime in October, November-ish. So that's another reason to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you soon in another video.